Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I just want to make this brief video, okay, to show you guys how you can actually generate tags for your YouTube video without you going to do it manually. Okay. Now this is a trick that a whole lot of people I don't actually know about. Okay. So I've decided to bring this knowledge and information to your advantage, right? Now let me go to my YouTube video. This is my YouTube video, so I'm just going to like click on one of my videos. Okay. I want to assume that you actually have a YouTube channel already, and all you just need is how to add tags, okay, to your video in order to optimize the SEO of your video so that it will actually rank properly. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the tag of this my particular video, right? So you can see this tag, these video tags, right? Hope you can see these video tags now. You can see these tags. Now, all these tags you see here, I did not manually write or generate these tags, like writing it one after the other. No, I didn't do that. I'm going to show you the tool that I actually use to auto-generate these tags, okay? So, this is the website. Like I rightly said, I'm not going to waste much of your time. So, you go to this website called h.supertools.com. I'm going to put the description of this particular website under this video, okay, at the description of this video, okay. The name of the website is called h-supertool.com. Now when you get to this website, what you just need to do is to navigate to this place, okay. Just navigate to here where it says YouTube, then you click on YouTube keyword tool. Okay, when you click on this YouTube keyword tools, let's say the video you made is let's say how to make money online. For an example, it could be any topic you are trying to treat, but let's take for example that you are trying to you just made a video that says how to make money online. All you just need to do is to come to this place, come onto this search button here and click on how to make money online, right? When you type in this how to make money online in this search column, then you just click on search. Okay, when you click on search, it's going to generate YouTube tags for you that you can use, okay, in the YouTube space, just like this of the YouTube video you just created. So let's go down now. You can see it's trying to gather the YouTube tags. So you can see these are the tags you can use. They are keywords actually, okay. So these are the tags. You see how to make money online, make money online, earn money online, make money online, work from home, ways to make money online. You can see a whole lot of tags it has generated for you. And mind you, you cannot use more than 500 words in your YouTube tag under your video. So you can't choose everything here, but that goes to tell you that it gives you a whole lot of ideas of what to do. So all you just need to do, you can see these are all powerful keywords that you can use as your YouTube tags, okay. You can see work from home, ways to make money online, earn money from home, work from home job. You can see these are beautiful texts and they actually have high search volume. You can see the volumes, they are all high. They are all high. That goes to tell you that this is a very good, these are all very keywords. All you just need to do to use this thing as a tag is just to copy. You can see here, you see copy as tag, then you click on it, you see copy to clipboard, right? So you just need to come down to your tag section of the video, then you just click and paste it here, then automatically, okay, it becomes your YouTube tag. I hope you get it. That's just how I generate YouTube tags for all my video, right? So if I click on it here now, right, and I just, you see, I'll just paste it. Okay, I don't want to paste this one so that it will not disrupt what I have here already, but I think I should just do it. Okay, let me just paste it, right? I've pasted it, right? Okay, sorry, you just have to select it all first. My bad. You select it, you select the ones you want to copy, okay. So you select it first, Then let me just say I want to use just this ones I've copied. Then you click copy as tag, right? Then you go beneath the video and you paste it. You can see these are the ones I just copied from there. How to make money online, earn money online, ways to make money online, earn money online. These are all the ones I just copied, right? So that is the easiest way to actually generate keyword automatically for your YouTube video. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for watching, and remember, if you got value from this video, subscribe to the channel, um, like the video, and also share the video, and remember to click the notification button so that when next I post a video you get to see it. The next video I'm going to posting is something that will actually grow your website. If you have a website online, stick to this channel. I'm going to post something that will help grow your channel for you. Okay, thank you and bye bye.